In this video, I will show you how to download your voice message from Facebook Messenger on your computer. Make sure you log into your Facebook account and open the chat box to the specific voice message you want to download. Right-click on the chat box, then select Inspect. A new menu will pop up on the right side. You will then want to look for the Network tab. Click on it, and a new section will show up. Now, play the voice message that you want to download. Let the voice message load and play. Make sure to let it finish. You also do not want to scroll around, as it will also download a bunch of unnecessary files, making it harder for you to find your voice message. Once the voice message is done playing, you will notice a new media file popping up. Double-click on that and listen to the voice message to make sure it is the right one. After that, click on the three-dot icon and select Download. Now, this voice message will be in your default Downloads folder.